So today I'm talking about a P0710 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And so what is a P0710 code? Well, it's a transmission fluid temperature sensor A circuit. And so what does this mean? Well, basically modern transmissions have a lot of sensors built into them. And one of these sensors is called the transmission fluid temperature sensor, or TFT sensor. And all this sensor does is it just reports back to the computer what the temperature of the fluid inside the transmission is. But when you get this P0710 code, the computer's seeing some kind of problem with this sensor, and so it's got to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0710 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is that transmission fluid temperature sensor, that it's just gone bad, it just needs to be replaced. This sensor can't be located on the outside of the transmission. It can also be located inside of the transmission. It's really going to vary. It's going to depend on the year, the make, the manufacturer, and so on. If you have a multimeter, you can't test these sensors. These transmission fluid temperature sensors are what's called a thermistor, which is basically a resistor whose resistance changes with the temperature. So if you can find the specifications for that particular sensor, since again, there's going to be differences, then you can use a multimeter, you can set it to ohms, you can check to see what the ohms are, and then see if it matches what the current temperature is. So for example, like right here, if that fluid temperature was 68 degrees Fahrenheit, then that sensor should be reading 8.1 ohms. And if it doesn't read that, if it's higher than that or lower than that, then you know there's some kind of problem with it. Again, this information is going to be different for every single sensor, so you will need to get the specifications for that particular sensor before you go and test it. But the first thing that could cause this is a bad transmission fluid temperature sensor. And the next thing that could cause this is the wiring going to that sensor. Basically, if there's any kind of problem with the wiring, there's like an open, there's a short, something along those lines, then that's going to cause problems. So you can go and get the wiring schematics for that particular vehicle and check the wiring going to that sensor, because the next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of issue going on inside the wiring. And the next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of issue going on with the transmission. And this would be something like a bad valve body, the fluid's really low or really dirty or something like that. Something that would stop that sensor from working or cause it to overheat and just read something very high so that the computer thinks there's a problem with it when there isn't. But usually if that happens, you'll be getting a lot of other codes. You'll likely be getting like solenoid codes, fluid pressure codes, things along those lines. So if you are getting any other codes, be sure to pay attention to that. But if you're only getting this P0710 code, then very likely it's just a bad transmission fluid temperature sensor or inside the wiring. But keep in mind that there is some kind of issue going on with the transmission that's stopping that sensor from working. Or like, for example, say the transmission's overheating and causing that sensor to read really high, then that could cause issues. So the next thing on the list is going to be some kind of transmission problem. And the last thing on the list is going to be that there's some kind of problem going on with the computer. There's some kind of issue with the powertrain control module or the transmission control module or something like that. And although, again, if that does happen, usually you begin a lot of the codes. Usually when a computer goes bad, you're not just going to get one code. When computers go bad, they give like U codes and things like that. So again, if you are getting a lot of the codes, be sure to pay attention to that, because the last thing on the list is going to be a faulty computer. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0710 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.